Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about Hills. This is the science diet for indoor adults over 7 years old. This cat food is the chicken recipe and I got the 7-pound one. And this is for my cat Paris. She's already turning 7 and we want to make sure that she's getting all the nutrients she needs for an adult cat. So check this out. This is a high quality protein cat food for their muscles. It is nice and high quality, so it's easy to digest, and the ingredients make a nice meal. I've never seen cat kibble in this shape before, little triangles, but she absolutely adores it. I definitely recommend this product. I love the size of the bag. It's perfect, but if you guys want to just try it out, they also have smaller sizes to see if your cat really likes it, and if your cat loves it, you have the 7-pound bag and even bigger bags available as well. As you can see on the back, it's going to tell you all the little details about this, and that chicken is the #1 ingredient in this, so you can give it to your cat without feeling guilty that they're eating grains or anything like that. And it also has natural fiber, which supports their digestive health and makes it so much easier to clean their little box up. So go check this out, you guys. It has no chicken byproduct meal, which makes it so much better, and I can trust Hills to give my cat all the support she needs as she's growing into adult and then into senior years. So I definitely recommend this product. This is an incredible brand, and up here on the side you're going to see how much you're supposed to be giving your cat, so check that out as well once you receive it. And go check out Hill's Science Diet to give your pets a nice and healthy meal.